In order to remove the steering wheel, once you remove the airbag, you have this nut right here. And in this case, this is 21mm nut. Now you need to push the steering wheel in the opposite direction. Once you remove that, we would recommend that you mark the bolt and the steering wheel so you put it back in the same position. That's what we're going to do. You need to rock it a bit back and forth. There it comes off. Now it's very important that if you put this back on, that you don't make the clock spring go around and then put the steering wheel like that. The clock spring needs to be in the same exact location. Not only location, but also revolutions.